In one of my previous videos, when I did the unboxing of PS5, I've said I never got in love with white consoles, and that was true. So it didn't take that much to grab some darker PS5 covers, and now it's time to turn this into a sleek, black, beautiful console. This concept of switching faceplates and play with its design started back in 2013 for PS4 console, but didn't become very popular because it didn't really change too much, but rather just a simple touch to the main unit. It was only the hard disk cover that could be replaced, and that wasn't much of a deal breaker in terms of design. Now with the launch of PS5, Sony did it better, having a much larger impact on console's appearance. Being built with two large faceplates on both sides of the main unit, we can now turn this console in almost any color we want. At the point when I was looking for black faceplates, those from Sony were not available in my area, so I've got some aftermarket covers. That actually made me a bit more curious about what this market has to offer, so I didn't hesitate much. At this point, there are plenty of such faceplates all around from lots of manufacturers in plenty of colors and shapes, including with vents for the cooler fan. What I've got is something from SteelDigi, Azure Scalp Blu-Ray. So this is the box. Well, it looks black, and I would say the material is actually good, extremely close to original faceplates coming with the console. It has a matte finish and feels nice. Instead of PlayStation symbol cut, we have a simple print with the brand logo. That makes it looking less premium, but it's fine. For removing the original covers, I'm doing this on a soft surface. This way I will avoid scratching them. Firstly, I removed the stand. Now I'm using my left hand to hold the console and to make sure the side panel will not jump, so the main unit won't be scratched. And here at the PlayStation symbol, I will lift it up and I will slide it gently. That's it, simple as that. So these clips are in perfect condition, and they didn't cause any scratches on the main unit. Now let's do the same on the second panel. So here we have the Blu-ray, and on the opposite corner there is where it goes. Blu-ray, and here is the clamp I need to lift. Same thing, my left hand holding the console and the side panel, lift it up and slide. And it's done. Everything looks great to me. Now, after placing the black cover, I will slide it a bit and there should be a sound of clicking. For the second cover, The logo goes where PlayStation symbol is. A gentle slide, and that's it. Here we go. My PS5 turned black, and I would say it looks amazing. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any symbols at the back, so centering the stand is a bit more difficult than on original covers. But that's fine. Obviously, the Sony symbol is missing, and this cover doesn't have any embossed elements or symbols as they're present on original covers. However, what I like the most is that it looks extremely close, if not identical, with the midnight black DualSense color, which makes it a great match. Well, that's it. This is how to replace the PS5 covers, and thankfully, now we have plenty of colors to choose from. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.